All of our videos are going to consist of Kai fetching. Seriously. He doesn't know how to do anything else. He doesn't know how to do anything else.
See, I can sit and lay down. I can sit and lay down. Sit. Sit.
He's already oh, I thought he was already sitting. This video looks really redneck with that gun behind your head.
Looks really what?
Redneck.
Oh. I thought you said red. I was like, wow, it looks red. Sit. Lay down. Lay down.
That's a hard one for him. You have to make him sit first and then like slowly move your hand down.
Kai, lay down. Lay down. He doesn't listen to me. Lay down. Oh, God. Lay down.
Good boy.
Good boy. He's a good boy. Yes. Yes. Look at it.
You ready to go?
Yep. Let's go.
Okay.